It's late at night, and although you aren't even hungry, you find yourself in the kitchen, feeling an intense magnetic pull towards something sweet. You might think it's just a matter of willpower, but it's much more complicated than that. The real struggle isn't only mental, it's a biological trap that has been set deep within your body. The intense cravings you experience are the result of a powerful chain reaction involving your brain, gut, and hormones, a vital survival mechanism when food was scarce. The issue is that in today's world, this system is operating on overdrive. In this video, I will explain the science behind it and provide you with a blueprint to understand what's truly happening within your body. More importantly, I will present a clear science-based plan to help you work with your biology rather than against it, allowing you to regain control. Okay, let's dive in. The science behind the cravings. Let's start by discussing your brain and its response to sugar. Consuming sugar hijacks your brain's reward system and triggers a release of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This is the same system that is activated by addictive drugs. The rush of pleasure reinforces the behavior, training your brain to think, "Do that again." Over time, your brain can develop a tolerance, meaning it craves even more sugar to achieve the same rewarding feeling. However, the brain isn't working alone. Your gut also plays a crucial role. Researchers have discovered a powerful gut-brain connection. Specialized sensors in your gut can detect sugar and send direct signals to your brain, making cravings so strong that even artificial sweeteners can't satisfy them. Additionally, the balance of bacteria in your gut can affect your cravings, with certain types of gut microbes encouraging you to consume more sugar. This creates a harmful cycle. When you eat sugar, your blood glucose levels spike. In response, your body releases insulin to regulate the spike, but it often overcorrects, resulting in a drop in blood sugar. When this crash happens, your body signals distress by releasing ghrelin, the hunger hormone, which increases hunger and triggers intense cravings for another quick energy source, typically more sugar. If you're stressed, the situation worsens. Stress produces cortisol and more ghrelin, intensifying those cravings. This isn't just a matter of willpower, it's a complex biological loop that makes it challenging to resist. The solution for the cravings. To escape a trap set by your biology, it's not about fighting it head-on, it's about outsmarting it. Here's a straightforward, science-backed plan to regain control. 1. Stabilize your blood sugar. The most effective action is to break free from the blood sugar roller coaster that fuels your cravings. Every meal should include a strategic mix of protein, healthy fats, and high-fiber foods. Proteins and healthy fats are your key allies as they slow down digestion and prevent those dramatic spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Here's a game-changing tactic. Try eating your protein and vegetables before your carbohydrates in a meal. Studies have shown that this simple change can significantly reduce the glucose spike that typically follows. 2. Reset your taste buds. This might sound intense, but it can be incredibly effective because the taste buds on your tongue regenerate every 10 to 14 days. Try significantly reducing or eliminating added sugars for just 2 to 4 weeks. After this short break, your palate can become much more sensitive to sweetness. Foods that you once enjoyed may taste excessively sweet, and you will notice that your constant cravings have quieted down. A key tip is to avoid artificial sweeteners during this reset, as they can keep your desire for intense sweetness alive. 3. Master your emotional and environmental triggers. Cravings are rarely about physical hunger. They are often intertwined with stress, boredom, or habitual behavior. So, the next time you experience a craving, pause and ask yourself, what am I truly feeling? If it's an emotion, find a healthier coping strategy. Consider taking a quick walk, drinking a large glass of water, or calling a friend. This brief pause creates essential space between the trigger and your automatic response. Additionally, take control of your environment. It's much easier to resist temptation at the grocery store than at 10 p.m. in your kitchen. Finally, establish a stopper ritual after meals, such as brushing your teeth or drinking a cup of herbal tea to signal your brain that eating time is over. So, stop fighting a battle of willpower you were never meant to win. You now have the scientific blueprint to work with your body, not against it. It's time to break the cycle and take back control for good. If you're feeling motivated to cut back on sugar, This video will show you what actually happens to your body if you quit sugar for 30 days. See you and stay healthy.